Ring camera batteries often drain quickly due to several factors. Let's explore the main reasons behind this common issue. Power-intensive features like live streaming, frequent motion alerts, and constant Wi-Fi connectivity to Ring's cloud servers are major culprits. These features require continuous power to function. Environmental factors like extreme heat or cold can also significantly impact battery life. Temperatures outside the optimal range slow down battery chemistry and reduce capacity. Outdated firmware, incorrect settings, and even older hardware can contribute to rapid battery depletion. These issues prevent the camera from operating efficiently. We'll address how to diagnose and fix each of these issues in the following sections. Ring cameras rely on rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, which store electrical energy through chemical reactions involving lithium ions moving between electrodes. These lithium-ion batteries degrade over time through repeated charging cycles, potentially losing up to 50% of their capacity each year as the chemical materials wear out. Extreme temperatures severely impact battery performance. Temperatures above 85 degrees Fahrenheit cause overheating and faster chemical breakdown, while below 32 degrees Fahrenheit slows the chemical reactions, reducing efficiency and accelerating capacity loss. Several features consume the most power in Ring cameras. High-resolution video recording at 1080p or 4K requires intense processing and data transmission, rapidly depleting the battery. Pre-roll recording captures video before motion detection, requiring the camera to stay partially active and consume power continuously. Active Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections require constant power for data transmission and signal maintenance, significantly reducing battery life. To improve battery life, disable unnecessary features such as pre-roll recording or switch to lower video resolutions, which reduces power consumption and extends usage time. The Always Home mode maintains semi-active monitoring, depleting a full battery in as little as 1 to 3 days due to continuous readiness for alerts. Software solutions focus on keeping your Ring app and camera firmware current. Ring regularly releases updates that optimize battery usage by improving motion detection and reducing unnecessary processing. Access these updates directly through the Ring app to ensure your device benefits from the latest efficiency enhancements. Within the app, adjust motion detection settings to minimize unnecessary alerts. Lower the sensitivity level from high to medium or low, which reduces how easily the camera triggers recordings. Customize motion zones by defining specific areas to monitor, excluding busy spots like roads or sidewalks that cause frequent false alarms. For additional battery savings, disable the pre-roll feature. This records a few seconds before motion is detected, which can drain power quickly. Turning it off helps extend battery life while still capturing important events. Hardware checks and environmental considerations are crucial for maintaining your Ring camera's battery life. Let's examine the physical condition of your device and how its surroundings affect performance. Start with hardware inspections. Carefully examine your Ring camera for any physical damage or signs of wear that could affect battery performance. Look for cracks, dents, or corrosion on the exterior. Next, check the battery compartment seal. Moisture ingress can cause corrosion and drain the battery rapidly. Make sure the seal is intact and free from gaps or damage. Environmental factors significantly impact battery life. Direct sunlight can cause your camera to overheat, leading to increased power consumption and faster battery drain. Similarly, extremely cold temperatures slow down battery chemistry, reducing overall efficiency and capacity. Both heat and cold can degrade the battery over time. Consider your camera's placement. Position it in a shaded area away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Relocating the camera to a more moderate environment can significantly improve battery performance. For cameras in sunlight-exposed areas, consider using a solar charger. This provides sustainable power and eliminates battery dependence entirely, extending device lifespan. When your Ring camera battery is old or damaged, replacement becomes necessary. Signs include rapid draining, reduced capacity, or failure to hold charge. Lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, losing up to 50% capacity per year under normal conditions. Ring provides official replacement batteries through their website and authorized retailers. These are specifically designed for Ring camera models ensuring proper fit and electrical compatibility. Official batteries typically use 3.7 volts lithium-ion chemistry with capacities around 6,000 milliamp hour. For extended battery life, consider high-capacity aftermarket options. These third-party batteries often provide higher mAh ratings, like 8,000 milliamp hours compared to Ring's standard 6,000 milliamp hour. Users have reported battery life extending from 1 to 2 days to 5 to 7 days with these upgrades. Before purchasing any replacement battery, check compatibility with your Ring camera model. Ensure the voltage matches at 3.7 volts and the physical connectors align properly. Using incompatible batteries can cause damage or safety issues and may void your warranty. Follow Ring's official instructions for safe battery replacement. First, power off the camera completely. Remove the back panel using the provided tools. Carefully disconnect the old battery, noting the connector orientation. Connect the new battery securely, then reassemble the camera. A fresh battery can significantly extend camera uptime. Higher capacity options reduce the frequency of recharging, providing more reliable surveillance. Regular battery maintenance prevents unexpected power failures and ensures your Ring camera operates optimally. If battery drain persists despite optimizations, consider wired power options for compatible Ring camera models. Some Ring cameras can connect directly to a power source using a wired adapter, completely eliminating battery dependence. This solution is particularly effective for cameras in high-traffic areas where frequent motion alerts would quickly deplete batteries. The wired connection provides continuous power without maintenance. Before purchasing a wired power adapter, always verify compatibility with your specific Ring camera model to ensure proper functionality. If you've tried the previous steps and your battery is still draining quickly, try these additional troubleshooting tips. Restart your Ring camera. Power cycle the device by removing and reinserting the battery or using the reset button if available. This clears temporary software glitches. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength. A weak signal can cause the camera to work harder and consume more power. Move the camera closer to your router or use a Wi-Fi extender. Review your Ring Protect plan settings to see if cloud recording settings are impacting battery life. Adjust video quality, recording duration, or disable unnecessary features in the app. Contact Ring support for further assistance if problems persist. The future of Ring camera batteries is trending towards sustainability and efficiency. Solar-powered options are becoming more prevalent, offering extended battery life through integrated panels that harness sunlight for continuous charging. AI-driven optimizations are being implemented to reduce power consumption by intelligently filtering non-essential events, such as distinguishing between important motion and minor disturbances. Expect to see improved battery technologies like solid-state batteries in future Ring products, which offer longer lifespans, faster charging, and greater reliability compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Keep an eye out for these advancements to further minimize battery drain issues and enhance the overall efficiency of Ring camera systems.